Hello, welcome to my channel. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed won't be clear as sky. Important to know creating some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easy. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do the research. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly call, skip through and start practicing right away. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with incorporate of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.